It's the way you look.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kionna Sharice, and today I'm going to show you some more goodies from Black Unicorn Magics. I just got another box in of goodies to show y'all, and I have no idea what's in this box. This was picked out for me this time, so this is going to be a surprise for me and you. So I'm a brand ambassador for Black Unicorn Magics, and Black Unicorn Magics is a small Black-owned, woman-owned business. They sell magical type things, mystical, occult, and you'll see things like home decor, jewelry, decorations, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you some examples of what you could find on the site. And if you're interested, you can also check out the box that I unboxed last month right here. Last time I did an unboxing, not everything I showed was on the site at that time, but the owner has been able to put more things on the site now. So every single thing you see here may not be there, but you will definitely see other things that are not here. So if you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave all the information down below and my code, which will get you 25% off. But let's get into opening the box. Oh, this is cute. Let me show you. I hope this lighting is decent. Should I go get my ring light? Let me turn on this light. Hold on. I think that did a little something. Okay, that's better. So first up, we have this necklace. You can see it's like a blue stone pendant thingy, I'm not sure. And on top is a butterfly, and then the cord that it's on is brown. I'm not gonna take it off right now, but in the last video I did show you that the necklaces are big girl friendly. Most of them hit me right around here-ish. Oh, what is this? Okay, we have a very fancy earring cuff. So it's silver, and mostly silver with this black piece right here. So I'm gonna get a little closer. Don't mind, I got some blood drawn and they attacked me, so don't mind that. But that's what that looks like. Okay, there we go. I think I can't see what it looks like right here until I get up in a mirror, but that's the earring cuff. We also have 2 packs of Smarties in here. Okay, now we have this here. Make sure you can get the color on this, and on the bottom it looks like this. I'm assuming this is just like a little holder of some kind. She has a lot of stuff like that, so, or maybe could a little candle fit in here? Honestly, I don't know what this is, but my first thought was I'm doing this perfume series over on my TikTok, and I've just like got little perfume samples laying around, so I'm thinking I would put those in here, something like this. That's just what, that was my first thought, but yeah. She has lots of little knickknacks like this that just hold items. I showed you some in the last video. This is what's up next. I'm gonna have to ask her what this is, because honestly, I don't have a clue. I just smelled it real quick and it smells herby. So I'm like, is this lavender maybe? If y'all know, let me know, because honestly, I don't know. But I did tell her I was into things like Palo Santo and sage, so maybe that's something related. I'm not sure. This is cute. It's like my first thought is it's like a paperweight or just like a decorative item maybe. It really goes with the moon tray that I got last month, so this is cute. Let me just see those details and then turn it around, and it's black. This is cool. Lots of goodies in this box, still not done. One more Smarties I missed. Okay, so next up, all of this came in one bag, so I'm guessing it goes together, but I'll show you the pieces individually. So we have a purple skull. We have this. We have this. We have this. And yeah, the same thing in clear. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this is. Maybe this is just like cute knickknacks to have around. Maybe that's what this is. But I feel like these are just like little decorative pieces, I'm thinking. Okay, last item. Okay, this is the first thing I've received with like her branding on it. So, okay, purr, I see you. But what is it? I didn't want to open it the wrong way and rip it, but we have a, okay, this is a pen. Let me, there we go. Show y'all. Hopefully that's capturing good, but we have a pin. And that's everything we have for this month's box, guys. This is a quick video, but I wanted to come on and share it with my YouTube realm. I don't know if that's the word I want, but yeah, I wanted to share it on here, of course. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want more pictures or videos of me putting these items into action. And if you do want anything that I have here or just want to check out the store in general, like I said before, I will leave everything down below. My code Kionna Magic 25 will get you 25% off. A reminder, I am a brand ambassador for the store, so they did send me these items so that I could show them to you. And that's it, guys. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.